Welcome to Autonomic Sauce Labs low-code automated web testing studio. In this segment of our video series on project properties, we're going to review how to use Autonomic's show screenshot for autonomic executions. By default, when executing a test script, no screenshot appears unless a step fails. Enabling this property will cause Autonomic to show a screenshot for each step that is executed. We'll save the update and review this in real time. To learn more about project properties, view the other videos in this short series. And to learn other tips for advancing your low-code automation strategies, visit our Autonomic Sauce Labs YouTube page or reach out to us via our website.